Okay, the second bit is we have to circle the improper fraction and then we have to divide and change them into mixed fraction. What is the improper fraction beta? Denominator will be having smaller number than numerator. Denominator smaller number untundi numerator kanna. Okay, see 8 by 9. 9 is greater than 8, no? So it is not a improper fraction. 3 by 2. See 2 is smaller than 3. So it is an improper fraction. 8 by 3. So 3 is smaller than 8. So it is an improper fraction. 6 by 7. 7 is bigger than 6. So it is not an improper fraction. 11 by 5. 5 is smaller than 11. So it is an improper fraction. 12 by 15. 15 is denominator. Denominator is greater than numerator. So it is not an improper fraction. 26 by 6. 6 smaller number than 26, no? So it is an improper fraction. Now we have to change all these 4 improper fractions into mixed fractions now. Okay, see 3 by 2. So we have to divide 3 with 2. 2 ones are 2. When you subtract 3 minus 2, you will get 1. So this 1, remainder you write here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 8 by 3. Divide 8 with 3. 3 ones are 3. And when you subtract 8 minus 3, 5. So the mixed fraction you can write it as 1, 5 by 3. 1, remainder 5 and 3. 11 by 5. When you divide 11 with 5, 5 twos are 10. When you subtract 11 minus 10, you will get 1. So 2, 1 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Last one is 26 by 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the mixed fraction you can write here? 4, 2 by 6 is the mixed fraction. Okay. Now next bit you have check whether the following are true or false. First one, 13 by 5 is equal to 2, 3 by 5 is given. So it is given 13 by 5 is equal to 2, 3 by 5, no? Once we will check it. So when you divide 13 with 5, 5 twos are 10. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer will be 2, 3 by 5. So it is true. Next, 14 by 3 is equal to 4, 3 by 2. So directly you can write false without checking beta. How means see here denominator is 3 and here it is given as 2. So it is wrong. It is false. Next, 31 by 10 is equal to 3, 2 by 10. So once we will check this, 10 3s are 30. So when you subtract, how much you will get? 1. So 3 1 by 10 is the mixed fraction, but it is given here 3 2 by 10. So it is also false. Now next, 35 by 8 is equal to 5 3 by 8. Denominator same, 8 and 8. Now we will check remaining with division. See when you divide 35 with 8, 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. So we can take 8 4s are 32. So when you subtract 5 minus 2, you will get 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So what will be the mixed fraction? 4, 3 by 8. But here it is given 5, 3 by 8. So it is also false. Next, 15 by 2. Denominators are same. So you can check it by dividing. When you divide 15 with 2, 2 7s are 14. 5 minus 4, 1. So fraction can be written as 7, 1 by 2. What is the answer given here? Same. Okay, it is true. 11 by 6. So denominators are same. We will divide and we will check it. When you divide 11 with 6, 6 ones are 6. And when you subtract 11 with 6, you will get answer 5. Once you check it better. And this fraction can be written as 1, 5 by 6. So answer is given 1 by 5, 6. Same answer. So it is true. Okay. Now next bit, shade the given fractions. So here 2 by 5 is given, no? So you shade only 2 parts. Okay. 5 by 9, you shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. With a color pencil or a crayon. And 3 by 8, shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1 by 2, shade only 1 part. 1 by 2, half. We can read it as also half. Next, write the fraction of the shaded and unshaded parts. See here, how many are shaded? 1. Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4. And unshaded is 1, 2, 3 and total are 4. 3 by 4. Here 1 by 1, only 1 is shaded, no? Total parts 3. How many are unshaded? 2. Total parts are 3. Here shaded 1. Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unshaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts 6. Now shaded 2. Total 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3. Unshaded 1. 1 by 3. Now in the next exercise we are going to learn about the like fractions and unlike fractions. What are like fractions, beta? Like fractions means the fractions which have denominators same. ఇక్కడ అన్ని డినామినేటర్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వీటిని లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అని అంటారు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. 5, 11, 13. సో దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఓకే. సో హియర్ హౌ కెన్ వి రీడ్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్స్? సి here only 1 is shaded, no? We can read as 1/4. Here 2 are shaded, no? 2/4 or we can read as half. 3/4. Total shaded, no? 1 whole. 1/3. 2/3. 1 whole. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts and only 1 is shaded. 1/5. Here 2 are shaded. 2/5. 3/5. 4/5. This is 1 whole. Okay. Now about the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction means, see, if a fraction, if you multiply a fraction or divide a fraction with the same number, we can get a new fraction that is called as equivalent fraction. Okay. See, for example, 2 by 3 is there, no? When you multiply this fraction with 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 by 6. These two are called as equivalent fractions. 1 by 3 ఉన్న ఫ్రాక్షన్ కి ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫ్రాక్షన్ కి సేమ్ నంబర్ 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసామనుకోండి, న్యూమరేటర్ ని డినామినేటర్ ని, మనకు న్యూ ఫ్రాక్షన్ వస్తుంది. అదేంటి? 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So this 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are same fractions that are called as the equivalent fractions. So find the missing numbers. So here 15 is given. So 5 3s are 15. So in the same way we have to multiply the 2 also with 3. Then you will get 6 by 15. Same fraction. Okay. Now in the next page 101, pick out the like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions means which have denominators same. 3 by 4, 7 by 4 and 1 by 4. Unlike fractions, denominators will be different. 5 by 6, 3 by 5 and 8 by 9. And here observe beta, which fractions are having denominator 7. See, 11, 11, 11. So 7 by 11, 3 by 11, 9 by 11. And what are the remaining fractions which are not having same denominator? 1 by 12, 3 by 13, 8 by 15. Now find 3 equivalent fractions for the given number fraction. See, when you multiply 2 by 5 with 2, what you will get? 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now when you multiply 2 by 5 into 3 by 3, 2 by 5 and multiply it with 3 by 3, what you will get? 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Okay, now 2 by 5 when you multiply with 4 by 4, what you will get? 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. So 4 by 10, 6 by 15, 8 by 20 are equivalent fractions. Now 1 by 2. When you multiply with 2, what you will get? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now multiply with 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 2. Now multiply with 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now these are equivalent fractions. 3 by 4 multiply with 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 by 4 when you multiply with 3 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 3 by 4 into 4 by 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now 5 by 7 multiply with 2. 5 by 7 multiply with 3. 5 by 7 multiply with 4. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28. So in this way we can find the equivalent fractions. Now third bit, fill in the boxes to get equivalent fractions. So here what is given? 20. So when you multiply 10 with 2, you get 20, no? So now the numerator also should be multiplied with 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 by 20. Now here 7. 7 and 7. Same denominator, no? 7 1s are 7. 3 1s are 3. Same. Okay. Now 3 by 5 and 10 is given here. When you will get 10? When you multiply 5 with 2, you will get 10. And now the numerator also should be multiplied with same number. 3 2s are 6. Now here, see, here numerator is given beta 9. When you will get 9, మనము 1ని 9 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు 9 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ని కూడా 9 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 3 9s are 27. Now again here it is given 54. అంటే 27ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనకు 54 వస్తుంది బేటా. ఓకే, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం న్యూమరేటర్ని కూడా 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 9 2s are 18. Understood children? In this way we can find the equivalent fractions.